Hey, this is no mic, no mic.
No snowflake at all. 3 feet away, same distance,
Same exact distance, talking the same exact direction,
same volume, talking to the laptop, 3 feet away. Come on,
or a yard.
or a yard. Yeah. What do you think? How's this sound?
Let them be the judge. Hey, this is Snowflake mic check from 3 feet, about 3 feet.
I'd say 3 feet. Yeah, it's a ways to go. So yeah, this is a snowflake test, about 3 or 4 feet, pretty far away. A test, moderate volume. I'm speaking to the laptop, so that's how you judge how loud you should talk.
Pop quiz. 3 feet is also known as what?
A meter,
Wrong, a yard.
a yard. Dang.